Hello, children. You are welcome to the digital classes of Christ Church Convent Higher Secondary School, Gadawara. I am Amit Toshniwal, your English teacher. This video is for class 10th. Subject is English, lesson number 10, The Last Leaf, part 1. Lesson is written by William Sidney Potter and his pen name was O. Henry. So in the very first paragraph you will find a brief biography of the author. In the second one you will find what is the story about. So actually this is a story of two young artists, Sue and John C. John C. falls ill with pneumonia, and she develops superstitions that she will die the same moment the last leaf of the ivy creeper outside his window falls. And due to this superstition, her illness becomes psychological. There is one barman, and he was an old painter. So he came forward to John C's help. So what did he do? He paints a leaf in green color which looked exactly like the real ivy leaf, and this created willpower in John C, and she became well. But his saver, means that painter barman, he died due to pneumonia, because the time when he was painting that ivy leaf, so it was raining heavily and he died. So this story is really touching and ennobling, and teaches us that this is the great happiness and a noble thing that when you work for others. So let us start with the lesson. There are some in a district west of Washington. So the streets in that little district, they were broken into strips. One street crosses itself a time or two, and the newcomer in that town, so they used to forget the way where to go. Means those streets created a maze for a new visitor. The art people used to come there and turn the quaint old Greenwich village into a colony. The two young artists, their name was Sue and John C. They lived on the top story of an old brick house, and Sue was from Maine and John C. was from California. So they had common taste in art, so they had started their venture as a joint studio in May. So in November, Jhansi fell seriously ill and she had pneumonia. She lay hardly moving and was admitted to hospital. Her bed was near the window and it overlooked the brick wall of the opposite house. So doctor said that it's a very high fever and she cannot, means 50% medicines will work and 50% she will have to gain her willpower. So Sue was deeply worried about Jhansi's health. She sent for a doctor, but the doctor told Sue that Jhansi had lost willpower to live and her chances of survival were just 10%. Medicines will not help her until and unless she longs to live. Sue made her best possible efforts to make Jhansi to take interest in her surroundings. She talked to her about clothes, fashions, and about her surroundings. She also brought her drawing board into Jhansi's room and started painting. While painting, she whistled. So a very old ivy vine climbed halfway up the brick wall, and it was the time of winter. So its leaves were falling. In Europe, you know there is a rainfall every time and snowfall. So during snowfall, the leaves of trees, so they fall. So Jhansi was continuing backwards from 12 downwards, and Sue asked when it was all about. So Jhansi told her that she would pass away as soon as the last ivy leaf fell. It would happen in 3 days. So what happened, whether means how, whether Jhansi died or she recovered, and what possible efforts were made by Sue to save Jhansi's life. So you will see this in very next video. Thank you.